Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about pyramid rotation, and we are going to rotate the pyramid with reference to the observer position. So there is a lot of confusion among students as far as pyramid rotation is considered when it is given with respect to observer position. So right now I have taken the condition like the edge 3 4 of this given pyramid. It means this edge makes an angle 45 degree with vertical plane, and it is rotated in a such a way that the apex is away from the observer, or apex is towards xy, or apex is towards vp. So meaning of these three terms is same. So for all these three terms the rotation will remain same. So now I define xy line, and as usual above xy we have vertical plane, below xy we have horizontal plane. Now as I have to rotate this particular pyramid, so I copied this pyramid, I paste it over here. Now for rotation we select a base point, and we have to keep the apex away from the observer. So I am going to select 3 as a base point. So as soon as we select the base point, one imaginary line will get created on point, base point, and all angles will be measured against this imaginary line. So by keeping that in mind, I draw this imaginary line, and this imaginary line is parallel to xy. So this vertical line, whatever the angle made by this vertical line with imaginary line, will remain same to that of xy line. So if 3 4 makes angle 45 with imaginary line, then 3 4 makes angle 45 with xy. So now I am going to rotate this. So I select the object, I open the rotate command. So 3 is base point, click on reference. 3 is first reference, 4 is second reference, and enter angle 45. So you can see that this 3 4 makes an angle 45 with this imaginary line. And if you measure angle made by this 3 4 with xy, so that angle is also 45. So our rotation of 3 4 is correct. And as per given condition, this apex is away from observer. So this is one kind of rotation that we get as per given condition, where the apex will move towards the other side. Likewise, this right hand is the side of the apex, and when you rotate it with positive 45-degree angle, the apex will move towards left hand. If I want to keep the apex towards the right hand side, in that case I am going to use the minus 45 value. So that rotation I will do it over here. So now I am going to select this, open rotate command. Base point is 3. So when I define base point, this imaginary line will get created and angles will be measured against this imaginary line. So click on reference. So 3 is first reference, 4 is second reference, and now I'm going to add angle as minus 45. Now you can see, you can measure this angle. So this is 45, as we have given minus 45 angle, so it will be measured in a clockwise direction against imaginary line. And even if you measure the angle with xy, so that is also 45. So as per given conditions, both these rotations are correct, but I will suggest you that you keep the apex position towards right. So if you enter minus 45 angle, then whatever the front view that you are going to get, that will be very clear, and points will be well defined. So this is, in this way we can rotate the pyramid for as per given condition. And keep this in mind that when in AutoCAD, angle is measured in a anti-clockwise direction against imaginary line if it is positive, and it is measured in a clockwise direction if you enter value negative. Thank you. I hope the pyramid rotation is clear to you.